Egg, tomatoes, onions, peppers, and bread for a typical Nigerian breakfast. Let's make it together. Join me. Let's eat breakfast. Let's cook breakfast together. I just finished slicing the onions. Now I'm slicing the tomatoes. After that, I'm going to slice the peppers. Now I am breaking the eggs, and then I'm going to whisk it with my fork, and then before then I'm just going to add little amount of salt and mix everything together. So I have my clean pan, and I'm using power oil to make this egg recipe, and I love power oil. It's my favorite oil to buy. So once the oil is hot, I'm adding the sliced onions or chopped onions. After the onions, I'm just going to let it saute for about 30 seconds. I don't want it to be over fried. I still want a little bit of crunchiness on the onions. Then I'm going to add the pepper and the tomatoes, and I'm still going to fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm going to season it before adding the whisked egg. This is me adding little amounts of seasoning and little amounts of salt. I noticed the salt was too much, but I had already finished cooking it, and yeah, it was too salty though, to be sincere. Once it's properly fried, it's time to add our whisked egg. I'm just going to pour the egg, and I'm just going to mix everything together. Immediately I pour it, then I'm going to let it set for just a few seconds before stirring it. I love this recipe. It's a very healthy recipe to have. Eggs, vegetables, tomatoes, peppers, onions. It's so delicious, healthy, and yummy. And to make it really filling, in Nigeria we always allow it to go with bread. This is agege bread. I don't know if it's the original agege bread, but I bought it in Ibadan, and they call it agege bread. It's a kind of bread, and it's easily for you to find it and it goes well with a lot of things. This bread can go with beans, it can go with egg, it can go with stew, anything we can eat with these beans, and it goes well with hot chocolate. For me, I'll be using this Cadbury hot chocolate. As you can see, the sachet. So what we always do is we open the bread into two and pour the eggs in the middle and then cover it back. My breakfast is ready. This is a very easy and delicious breakfast to make. And apart from the regular akara, ogi, yam and egg, plantain and egg, bread and egg is also very nice to have, and especially when you're having it with a cup of hot chocolate. You know how it goes. It's really filling, and you can even eat this and you won't be hungry for another 5 to 6 hours. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.